Adding a secondary email to your Bank of America account can enhance your account security and improve communication. Follow these simple steps to update your email preferences. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Etrec.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access profile settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile Settings section of your account. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Profile Settings, look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to manage your email addresses. Step 4. Add secondary email. You will see an option to add a new email address. Enter your secondary email address in the provided field and ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email address, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your primary email address to verify the addition. Once you have completed these steps, your secondary email will be added to your Bank of America account. Regularly check both email addresses for important account updates and notifications.